Ad tech company Perion has introduced a new ad format for connected TV called Stay Live that dynamically integrates brand ads into live events, according to details shared with Marketing Dive. Previously exclusive to select advertisers, the artificial intelligence-powered technology analyzes sports and esports broadcasts, optimizing ad placements for maximum viewer engagement rather than interrupting the action. DraftKings, Dr. Pepper, and other brands have utilized Stay Live, which Perion claims could be used in live content genres other than sports to help advertisers deliver contextually relevant brand messages.
Edinburgh College has opened a Dolby Atmos audio production studio, choosing the Audient ORIA immersive audio interface and monitor controller as a key part of the new 7.1.4 setup. Edinburgh College is one of the largest music and sound production schools in Scotland, across 2 campuses. There are 2 125-plus seat auditoriums, over 10 recording studios, over 100 fully equipped brand new Mac workstations, and a suite of rehearsal rooms, all bookable by the students. Edinburgh College already had a number of 5.1 equipped studios, so making the move towards immersive audio production was a natural next step.
ZEISS has announced the Supreme Zoom Radiance lenses, the only zooms matching Supreme Prime Radiance. A set of 3 purpose-built T2.9 high-end Cine zooms, 15 to 30 millimeters, 28 to 80 millimeters, and 70 to 200 millimeters. The Supreme Zoom Radiance feature the same T*blue lens coating as the Supreme Prime Radiance lenses and let users create their distinct look with beautiful, consistent, and controlled flares, a warmer color rendition, and a pleasing cinematic image character, defined by a smooth fall-off and a beautiful bokeh. New lenses can be used alone, with Radiance or regular Supreme Primes, or even vintage glass. All 3 models come with modern high-end Cine ergonomics and full lens data support.
Beyerdynamic has launched second-generation models for its closed-back DT1770 Pro Mark II and open-back DT1990 Pro Mark II, offering new drivers and comfort-oriented features. Both models feature the company's new Tesla .45 driver. The new diaphragm cuts distortion and has a sharpened response with the goal of lessening ear fatigue during long sessions. The Tesla .45 driver is fashioned around a PEEK polymer membrane for improved bass, while a lighter voice coil made of aluminum-coated copper wire tackles the treble. With its closed-back design, the DT1770 Pro Mark II is intended for recording, monitoring, and editing, while the open-back DT1990 Pro Mark II is designed for mixing, mastering, and editing.
Archiware has released version 7.3 of its P5 data management platform. A key feature of the new version is the enhanced archive job management. The parking queue allows administrators to hold archive and restore jobs until an admin chooses to execute them. Job log advancements include archive job log downloads and job log file deliveries. Updates of volume inventories permit jobs to be executed separately for each volume. Expanded functionalities of the S3 Object Archive facilitate the integration with third-party tools like MAM, DAM, and PAM systems to archive and restore to LTO and LTFS via S3 protocol. Optimized throughput for writing to disk containers boosts data transfer speeds and enhances overall performance for both cloud and disk storage solutions. Improved search capabilities include index search and archive index metadata fields.
Dear colleagues, if you want your news to be included in Briefly, please contact us in the comments. Let's make news together.